Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 90 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions. There's a lot of questions. And we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, and we put them here so you're not spending hours reading questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about why doesn't Wi-Fi calling work? Where can I watch the Super Bowl? Reusable coffee cups at Java Blue? High walls in the bathtubs to take a shower. And I became a diamond. What do I get free for dinner? All right, question one. This cruiser wants to know why Wi-Fi calling does not work. And will they ever bring this feature back on Carnival ships? John said, ever since they upgraded to the new Starlink system, they don't have this ability. He will definitely address it with his colleagues to see if and when they can change anything. But as of now, you can't do Wi-Fi calling. I have seen some people say they can do it on different phones and different things, but with Starlink, it's technically not available. Question two. This cruiser said there was a bunch of people that didn't realize it was Super Bowl Sunday, or the big game, if you don't pay for the advertising fees, when they booked their cruise for February 9th. They want to know, will they be showing this game on the big screen outside? They really don't think anybody and everybody that wants to watch this can fit into the sports bar. John said he didn't think the Super Bowl was that popular at all, and maybe only 10% of people will watch it. It's not a popular game, and it's going to be shown on the ship, except perhaps maybe in the library. That was his first answer. He then came back and said, just kidding. It's actually a hugely popular game, and it will be shown on the big screen. So if you're on a boat that has the giant screen on a Lido deck, it will be shown there. It will also be shown in the main theater as well on other ships that don't have that. So it's going to be in a lot of places, and I hope they got a lot of servers because there's going to be a lot of people drinking during that game and betting on the game and having fun. So yes, you absolutely can watch the Super Bowl on pretty much any ship if you like that. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you'll enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Now time for question three. This guest is currently on the Mardi Gras and they're having a great time. They were on the Vista 2 weeks prior and they loved the reusable coffee cups they had on the ship. Will they be rolling it out to all ships, they asked. John said yes, this is a new thing and they've been experimenting with them on a couple different ships. We were actually on the Sunrise a few weeks ago and they had them on there. And I can tell you, Liz can tell you, we love them. They didn't degrade, they didn't get crappy and squishy and mushy. They were spectacular. So John said they're not only been proven to be good for the environment, but quite popular with guests, ourselves included. Even the lids. So if you had a coffee from any of the coffee shops on any of the ships prior to these reusable cups, you took a sip, it got mushy. It was like taking, I don't know, a marshmallow and putting it in water. It just dissolves. It was weird. The lids on these were much harder to get on, but they stayed true, like an actual lid. And it's way more environmentally friendly. I love them, myself, personally. Question four. This is it's more of a, did you know? And in case you didn't, you will in a minute. This cruiser had written to John about a difficulty of the high walls on the bathtubs on the Pride. So some of the ships, they don't have the walk-in showers, which you kind of gotta walk around like this to shower. They have actual bathtubs in the suites in some of the rooms. But the walls to get up are a bit of a step up. So they wanted to know if there's anything they can do about that. John said he reached out to the housekeeping staff and they got them a step stool. So, like I said, Liz complains about this all the time. She's a foot shorter than I am. So even me being just over 6 feet, stepping into them is a bit of a concern. But you can ask your room steward, room attendant, housekeeping person, whatever the hell they're called, and they can get you a step stool. And it's actually really cool. They have a little grip tape on it, and it sits right there so you can actually step into them. So yes, if those are very high walls and you can't feel like you're safe getting over them, get a step stool. They have them. I did not know that. Last question. These cruisers got their letter that they are becoming diamond and they get a one-time free dinner in the steakhouse. They're cruising in a few months and they wonder if they needed to book it on board to be free. They're worried about it being sold out. Steakhouse is quite popular and you do have to book ahead. John said, yes, it is complimentary, so just go see the steakhouse manager on the first night of your cruise and you can book it from there. Personal experience, you may not get it on the first night of the cruise, but go there on the first night and you will absolutely be able to get your free steakhouse dinner for being diamond. And congratulations on getting there. That's been episode 90 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.